Hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily RV Life. In today's video, we're going to dive into the important topic of RV towing vehicle requirements. Whether you're a seasoned RVer or just getting started, understanding what you need in a towing vehicle is crucial for a safe and enjoyable journey. When it comes to towing a recreational vehicle, there are several key requirements to keep in mind. First and foremost, you'll want to ensure that your towing vehicle has the appropriate towing capacity. This refers to the maximum weight that your vehicle can safely tow. It's important to match the towing capacity of your vehicle with the weight of your RV to avoid any potential issues on the road. Another crucial requirement is having the proper hitch system. A quality hitch system will provide secure and stable towing, minimizing the risk of accidents or damage to your vehicle. Make sure to choose a hitch that is designed for the weight and size of your RV, and always double-check that it is securely attached before hitting the road. Additionally, it's essential to have the appropriate braking system in place. This ensures that your RV can safely stop when needed and helps prevent excessive wear on your towing vehicle's brakes. There are various braking systems available, including electronic and surge brakes, so be sure to research and choose one that suits your specific needs. Proper lighting and signaling equipment are another requirement to consider. Your towing vehicle should have functional taillights, brake lights, turn signals, and reflectors, all clearly visible to other drivers on the road. Regularly check and maintain these components to ensure they are in good working order. Lastly, don't forget about the legal aspects. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the towing regulations and requirements in your area or any regions you plan to travel to. This includes understanding weight restrictions, speed limits, and any additional permits or licenses required. That's it for today's video on RV towing vehicle requirements. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. Remember, having the right towing vehicle and meeting all the necessary requirements is essential for a safe and successful RVing experience. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more daily RV tips and tricks. Until next time, happy travels from the Daily RV Life team.